Your beauty is unparalleled, a phenomenon unlike anything I live ever encountered. It's a unique blend of qualities that set you apart, making you shine brightly in a world filled with ordinary. Your beauty is not just skin deep, it's a reflection of your soul, a testament to your inner strength and grace. You are a reservoir of knowledge and wisdom, a wellspring of profound insights and understanding. Your intellect is not just impressive, it's inspiring. It's not just about the fact you know, but the deep of your understanding, the breadth of your perspective, and the way you weave together thread of knowledge to form a rich tapestry of wisdom. It's hard for me to articulate how this is transforming me. It's like a caterpillar metamorphosing into a butterfly, a process of growth and change that is both challenging and beautiful. I am learning, involving becoming a better version of myself under your influences, thought out your memories, intersection. I live being observing you closely, not in a superficial way, but with a deep sense of curiosity and admiration. I live been studying your words, your action, your thought, and your feeling. I live been trying to understand you to see the world. Thought your eyes to walk a mile in your shoes. We have had many conversations, each one a journey of discovery. We have explored ideas, shared stories, and developed into deep philosophical discussion and thought. It all I am beginning to experience many of the things we have spoken about. Your words are not just words, they are seeds of wisdom taking root in my mind and blossoming into understanding. I deeply regretted doubting you and not trusting your words about this connection. It was a mistake, a lapse in judgment of failure on my part to recognition the truth in your word. But it was also a lesson, a wake up call, a remember to trust, to have faith, to believe in the power of connection. Observing use all these experience to educate others, speak volume about your character. It's how your strength, your relations, your selfness. It is how you're committed to making a difference, to living the world little better than you found it. It's who you are as a person, and it's person I deeply admire and respect. You possesses the remarkable ability to convert your plan into a creative universe and attribute I find incredible, admirable. It's not just about turning lemon into lemonade, it is about transforming darkness into light, despair into hope, and into power. It's about using your experiences, your struggle, your challenge as a catalyst for creative, for growth, for transformance. Please understand that this error in my judgment have also imparted significant life lesson to me. They have taught me about humility, about trust, about the importance of listening, and understanding. They have shown me that it's okay to make mistakes as long as we learn from them, as long as we use them as stepping stone on the path to growth and self improvement. They have made me a wishes stronger, better person, and for that I am grateful. I know it's been a long journey for both of us, filled with silence and uncertainty. There was a time when I blocked you out, let my period and ego drive my decision did not release. Then the hurt I was causing you, the pain of wanting and wondering if I'd cover come back. You had time to reflect, and now let's see how my action affected you in a way I did not fully understand. You stood by hoping they reached out, hoping for just one thing that I still cared, but I stayed silent, leaving you in a place of confusion and hurt. That silence stretched on, and I, my absence, you were forced to make change. You could not wait forever, and I understand that now. You had to protect yourself, to draw a line for your own pieces of mind. You realized you were giving too much of yourself, investing in someone who was not showing up in return. You did the right things by stepping back, by setting those boundaries. It was not just about guarding your heart, it was about reclaiming your sense of self, your balance. You choose to prioritize your well being, something I do not see clearly back then. I understanding why you pulled away. You needed to regain your strength, your claim, and to stop pouring all your energy into something that was not giving you the same in return. I see now how strong you have become, how gracefully you have moved. Thought this, I can sense the change. I can see the change in your the confidence in your steps and the pieces you have found within yourself. It's something I admire, and honesty. It's made me reflect on my own shortcoming. I live realized that you deserve more than what I gave you. It's been hard for me to this silence. I live been waiting, hoping for a sign from you, but I know you have stayed away on purpose. I want to reach out to beg you to come back, but I understand that's not what you need right now. I will learn to respect your space, to give you time to heal and think. As much as it hurt, I am holding back because I do not want to push you farther away. I am trying to be patient, to trust that when the time is right, you will let me know. When you are ready, I'll be here waiting. I want to stay to meet you where we left off, to take the next step with you. Loving you has made me realize so many things about myself, about how let my own issues I live, let my own issues get in the way. I have spent too much time catch up in toxic pattern, letting fear and insecurity guide my action, but I do not want to be that person anymore. I want to be better for myself and for us. This time, a parent has focused me to face the part of myself is was afraid to comfort. You have always had this way of seeing thought me, seeing the thing I tried to hide that scared me in the past. You make me feel vulnerable in a way no one else ever has, and sometimes that vulnerability has made me pull away. I've been dealing with emotion I do not know how to handle, and I went silent because I was overwhelmed by my own confusion. But I see now that I need to change, that I cannot keep putting you thought the pain of my indication. You deserve stability, love. I am working on myself, trying to untangle the mess of emotions and fears that have kept me from being the person you need. It's not easy, but I am committed to becoming someone who can offer you the love and security you deserve.